All right, quick walk around on the old Yeller here. Took the front end off. Don't see any just surface rust, no rot. Pretty good shape. This fender's got a dent in it, but the hood's no good. It's rusty. Both came out pretty easy. This has got a 360 in it. Okay, found the tag right there. It turns over by hand. All the upper bolts on the exhaust manifold here on the passenger side are rusted off. It does have a new manifold, but have to deal with that if we want to get it running. So here she is, all of her glory.